Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Apple Pay on MoonPay. So Apple Pay makes buying crypto faster, and I will be explaining you how you can actually do this. So of course, you have to make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions. And once that's all said and done, you will just have to select the cryptocurrency that you want. And for example, you will have to click buy first, the buy button, and then you will again select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and you will just have to enter the amount that you want and then click continue with Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency that you've selected. And then after that, you will be prompted to choose your payment method, and of course you will choose Apple Pay, and then you will complete the verification if prompted. And also, you will confirm the payment using your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode or whatsoever. And then after all that, you will just have to wait for your crypto to appear in your MoonPay wallet. And yeah, Apple Pay is really secure, fast, and convenient for crypto purchases. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.